Hi everyone, this is your biology class. I'm your teacher Seema Atreja. In our today's class, we are going to discuss our next topic, that is pollination. First, we will discuss the definition of pollination. What do you mean by pollination? That is transfer of pollen grain from anther to stigma is known as pollination. We can observe two types of pollination in nature. The first one is the self-pollination. That is, pollination takes place within the same plant. Then we called it as self-pollination. If the pollination takes place between the different plant, then it is known as the cross-pollination. Pollination में single L आता है. If pollination takes place between different plant, then it is known as the cross-pollination. So first we will discuss the self-pollination. It is again of two types. One is known as the autogamy and other is known as the geitonogamy. What is autogamy? That is, transfer of pollen grain takes place from anther to stigma of the same flower. What is autogamy? Transfer of pollen grain from anther to stigma of same flower. एक ही फ्लावर के एंथर से पॉलन ग्रेन उसी फ्लावर के स्टिग्मा पर जाते हैं तो हम उसको ऑटोगैमी बोलते हैं. जिटनोगैमी में क्या होगा? दैट इज ट्रांसफर ऑफ पॉलन ग्रेन फ्रॉम एंथर ऑफ वन फ्लावर फ्रॉम anther of one flower to stigma of another flower. Then it is known as the geitonogamy. But what we are observing in self-pollination, flower in case of geitonogamy belongs to the same plant. We can mention here, that is, anther of one flower to the stigma of another flower of the same plant. Transfer of pollen grain takes place. So pollination takes place within the one plant, then it is known as the self-pollination. Whether the transfer of pollen grain takes place from anther to the stigma of the same flower, then it is known as autogamy. And if transfer of pollen grain takes place from anther of one flower to the stigma of another flower of the same plant, then it is known as the geitonogamy. Second type of pollination exists in nature is the cross pollination. We also called it as allogamy. One more term used for cross pollination, that is also known as xenogamy. So for cross pollination, we use the term allogamy or xenogamy. It takes place between the different plants. What happens here? That is, transfer of pollen grain from anther of one flower to the stigma of another flower present on डिफरेंट प्लांट। तो दो प्लांट के बीच में पॉलिनेशन होना क्या कहलाता है? एलोगेमी, क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन, या हम इसको जीनोगेमी भी कहते हैं। In case of cross pollination, there is need of certain pollinating agents which help in pollination. Pollinating agents which help in transfer of pollen grain from anther to the stigma. It maybe takes place with the help of air. It maybe takes place with the help of water, insects, birds, animals, bats, ants, or maybe snails are the pollinating agents which help in pollination. If pollination takes place with the help of air, then it is known as anemophily. If pollination takes place with the help of water, then it is known as the hydrophily. If insects help in pollination, then it is known as entomophily. If it takes place with the help of birds, then it is known as the ornithophily. If animals help in this process, then it is known as zoophily. And if bats help in this process, then it is known as the chiropterophily. And if ant help in this process, then it is known as myrmecophily. And if it takes place with the help of snails, then it is known as the malacophily. So these are the various pollinating agents which exist in nature and help in the process of pollination, which is known as the cross pollination. What we are observing in cross pollination, that is, if pollinating agents are present, then pollination takes place, fertilization takes place, and seed formation takes place. But if anyhow these pollinating agents are missing and do not help in pollination, then pollination does not take place and fertilization also does not take place, and there is no formation of seed takes place in such cases. This is the disadvantage in case of cross pollination. And what is the advantage in case of cross pollination? What we are observing here, that is two different plants के जो gene pools है उनकी यहाँ पर mixing हो रही है. That is mixing of genes of two different pools which belonging to the different plants are mixing in case of cross pollination. So hybrid vigor is produces, which leads to variation, and variation increases the chances of evolution. This is the advantage in case of cross pollination. So one is advantage and one is disadvantage. What is disadvantage? If the pollinating agents are not present, then no pollination and no fertilization occur in nature. This is the disadvantage. And what is the advantage? That mixing of genes of two different gene pools, because it takes place between the two different plants. दो different plants के gene pools आपस में mix हो रहे हैं and producing hybrid vigor, producing variation in the next generation, which leads to the sources of evolution. This is the advantage in case of cross pollination. In case of self pollination, what is the advantage and what is disadvantage? Advantage, it ensures 100% pollination and fertilization as it does not depends on the pollinating agents. किसी भी तरह के pollinating agent की यहाँ पर requirement नहीं है, तो 100% pollination होगा, fertilization होगा और seed development होगी in case of self pollination. जबकि self pollination में और हम क्या observe कर रहे हैं, that is there is no mixing of gene pools of different plants because it takes place within the same plant. So there is no mixing of the gene pools. Same plant के ही gene pools जो है next generation में जा रहे हैं. So inbreeding, we all know inbreeding Continuous inbreeding causes inbreeding depression. There is no development of hybrid vigor takes place. There is no variation arises. Inbreeding depression create होगा by continued inbreeding से and productivity of the plant decreases. This is the disadvantage in case of cell pollination, but advantage is that it ensures 100% pollination and fertilization, as there is no need of any pollinating agents on which pollination depends. This is all about in this video. I think the concept is very much clear to you all. Thank you so much.